Hi, happy to see you again. I'm Mr. Eric Tang. It's time to do some consolidation exercise before we go to the next topic. I would like you to write a Python program like this. At the beginning, the program will ask users to input 3 numbers. You can input any number you like. Here I input 1.33, 2.55 then, and 3.888. Good. The program will then output some text and show the number we've just input. Please pay attention to the format of the output. You must follow what you have seen here. Also, the program will multiply all the input numbers by 2 and then output the answers in this format. One thing to pay attention is that these 3 input numbers cannot be fixed and you must get them by the input statement and store them into variables. The numbers are input by user. For example, when I run the program again, like this, I can input another 3 numbers. Here, this time if I input 0.5 and then 1.34852 and then 88. See, the outputs are different. One more thing to pay attention is that here, the output must be rounded off to 1 decimal point. Okay, if you are my students, please follow the instruction in my PDF to complete and submit your work. See you next time. Goodbye.